Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. I have a 1952 Ford F1 pickup, finished in red. It's a 2-owner truck. Body off restored, I would probably say 15, 20 years ago. Still shows very well. Got 70,000 original miles. These pickups are iconic. Oak bed, stainless runners. Very nice, super straight body. It's got dual exhaust with cherry bombs. Sounds really great. Nice big lofty bench. Little tray in the back for stuff. Great for around town. Pretty simple. Got a flathead under the hood. 70,977 original miles. Pretty cool. Added turn signals. Definitely pretty cool. Is Flathead V8 Offenhauser heads, dual downdraft carburetors. I think those are 92s. New battery. Hot rod heater. Nice headliner. Kind of added tow hitch down there. Sounds really nice. Got like chrome tips coming out the back. These tires look fairly new too. Plenty of tread on them. motor was also rebuilt back in the day. Runs really nice. Horns are here, but I don't think they're hooked up. Cool. Probably sound really cool if they were though. Well guys, thanks for joining me today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. I'm at 631-339-0399. And talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.